as a music, arts, physical education, and health teacher of junior high school, it is my aim to expose all of my learners in different tasks, different responsibilities, not just to develop them physically, mentally, but holistically. I do believe that engaging them in different activities make them flexible in all circumstances. So here we are, as you can see. The first we did is a warm-up, of course. I have prepared 5 drills for our basketball topic. First, as you can see, we have passing. So the students will be paired into 2, trying 3 different passes, which is overhead, bounce pass, and then chest pass. This station here is rebounding. So they've tried jump ball and then tried to rebound the ball. This is for the running drills. That is a back pedal. There are 3 types of running drills. This is karaoke. This one is a jump ball, practicing the beginning of the basketball game. And this one right here is the dribbling drills, practicing how to dribble, because dribbling is the traveling in basketball. And this one right here is the shooting drills. They are only allowed 2 shots because of the limited time in our class. Shooting also develops your strength, your muscular strength of your arms before we will start the game proper. And this one is part of the running drills. So they are to jog with the same pace around the court.
Ayaw mo tudlo. Ayaw mo tudlo. Sagdiin sila, sagdiin.
Gibasam! Basket! Basket! Wala pa ka.
Mayong pagka-video sa lawas niya. Mayo gyud kayo ang t-shirt. Wala ba?
Laki na ba, ma'am? Bira! Nagwali, standard! Pasto, patido! Kumara!